Hey y'all, I'm making a quick tutorial video to show some of the hidden features that your car has that you probably didn't know about. At least it seems like a whole lot of you don't know about it. And it all centers around this stalk right here. Did you know that if you take this stalk and you push it down, a light blinks? If you push it up, a light blinks in the other direction. Now this is known as a turn signal or sometimes an indicator, and it is used to indicate what you intend to do. This is useful for things like changing lanes, slowing down to make a turn, letting people know which way you're going at a stop sign or a traffic signal. Now the other feature that's on the same stalk, and it's not on all cars, but usually it's on the same stalk, is called headlights. Now what headlights do or illuminate the road in front of you and make it so that other people can see you. And all you have to do is turn it to there. And look, there's light. If you turn it once, this is known as parking lights. They're useful for parking, not driving. So turn it two so that you get headlights. Hidden feature, really seems like not a lot of people know about this, but everyone should know about it. Hope you learned a lot. Like and subscribe.